Hi there, welcome to my course. My name is Harry. I'm a professional English teacher, and for many years now I've been teaching adults and young children business English, conversation English, and helping them to prepare for exams such as IELTS and CAE. So now what I'm doing is bringing together all my experience, and I'm creating a series of courses based on English language for English learners. This particular course that I'm talking to you about today is specifically aimed at English grammar, and it's for those of you between beginner and intermediate level that perhaps may be struggling with parts of English grammar, may have difficulties outside of your existing lesson plan, or perhaps you can't even get to regular lessons, so you need some assistance. So when you buy my course, you'll be able to access the course on your iPad, your iPhone, or your laptop, and you can look at me as your English companion or your English friend. So what do you get from the course? Well, as I said, this is all about English grammar, and it's based on those of you from beginner up to intermediate level, and I've put together the aspects of grammar that I think are most appropriate for you in those particular sectors. So we're going to be looking at aspects such as verb and verb tenses. We'll be looking at the present tenses, both simple and continuous, the past tenses, both simple and continuous, and future simple, together with the present perfect. We'll then also look at prepositions, specifically those prepositions relating to time and location. And we'll also look at the articles a, an, and the. After that, then we're going to look at some adjectives. How do we use them, particularly those adjectives ending in ed and ing. And we'll help you to create questions, how to ask questions, how to make them simple questions, how to make them direct, and also make them indirect. So all aspects of grammar that you will find perhaps difficult at the moment. So why should you purchase this course? Well, of course, I think it's great value. It's easy to use, and at the end of each section we've built in quizzes and questions that you'll be able to access at any time and be able to practice what you've learned both at your own individual lessons but also on our course. So if you're ready to learn, press that button, buy the course today, and join us in our English grammar.